Okay, we got a whole trailer full of bitter brush. What else is in there?
Sagebrush
Sagebrush
and serviceberry.
and serviceberry. How many plants we got today?
A lot. 3,500 last I knew. Oh,
3,500. Okay. Awesome. Got a pretty good turnout. I think we can get this done pretty
Got,
quick.
let's see, about 4 pages. This is 4 pages.
This will be the third time.
No, we did twice the bottom one once upon the hill. So this will be 4.
Okay.
Fourth time we've been.
Yeah, because you did the one day when we didn't finish.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I
this
counted them.
this will bring us to 10,000 plants on this WMA, and we feel it's very important with the amount of Ogden River deer that end up here. We fed deer here in 2008. We fed them here in 16. This is where they come when the snow gets deep, so we're trying to provide them good winter habitat, and we're committed to this. And again, thank you for being here. No problem. Always been there. If you need help, I'll catch chicken quick cross. You start at the top and just work towards the bottom. And you just pull that up like a cork. Don't ruin yourself. Not every 18 inches. Yeah, not every 18 inches.
Pretty awesome turnout today. Pretty awesome. Hey, bud. That's right.